it's a neat event because we get the chance to spend time with a number of our great customers, and they get a chance to expand their understanding of what RMH can do and how we can be a better supplier for them, how we can be truly a one-stop shop for their industrial equipment and industrial automation needs.
Yeah, so the last 3 days, every half hour, we've had a new customer, either an existing customer or a prospective customer come in. They've been able to meet our team, go out on the warehouse floor, take a look at some of our projects, not only see our capabilities, but then discuss their applications as well.